We are basically a company which is out of Luxembourg, Germany, and we are the world's market leaders in terms of pitched roofing solutions. So we basically manufacture roofing tiles in clay as well as in concrete, and also we are into the auxiliary products which are actually going into the roof tiles, what we call as roof system components. So in India also we are actually providing clay tiles as well as concrete tiles with this enormous range of components, which basically we can actually say that as aesthetics as well as functional components.
Where do you manufacture your this?
We have got two manufacturing plants. One is located at Bangalore, where we manufacture the concrete tiles and also the fittings, whereas we have one more manufacturing facility at Calicut in Kerala, where we do glazing on clay tiles. So we basically, that's how we cater to the Indian market in terms of clay tile as well as concrete tiles. In fact, we don't export. We currently operate out of Bangalore, and we have residential offices in terms of across India. In fact, we are planning for a new plant in Maharashtra as well. But when we are talking about a large group which is based out of Germany, we have excellent presence in Europe, Asia Pacific. So from our Indian operations, we cater only to the Indian market. Honestly, this is the first time we are participating in this expo. We had been participating in ACETEC and a couple of local exhibitions wherein which we used to experience a lot of B2C customers, because the kind of products that we mainly make are actually for predominantly it is for the residential sector. Though we can say that we have a couple of projects wherein which it goes into non-residential, like maybe institutions or hotels and hospitals, but predominantly 90, I would say around more than 80% of our products actually go into residential projects.
How is the facilities given by HITEX?
I would say it's quite good in terms of we have a pretty small stall here in terms of 9 square meters, but the facilities and the overall ambience looks good. We are looking at Andhra Pradesh market quite aggressively, especially with possibly the new plant also in terms of coming up. Yes, Andhra Pradesh will actually become a very critical location for us. Yes, so from that angle, from the market perspective, yes, I think HITEX might give us the platform in terms of going aggressive in Hyderabad and Andhra. See, predominantly, if you talk about roofing industry as such, culturally it is a clay-based industry. Okay, so in India there is a lot of ban in terms of mining operations. So wherever clay mines used to be there, it's slowly getting shutting down.